Today we're going to be working on the 97 Porsche Boxster. We're going to do a fix that seems to be commonly broke on these Boxsters, which is these clips for the wind deflector. As you can see, the previous owner here put duct tape around that because it was broken. I'm not going to leave it that way, so I went from Pelican Parts and got basically the kit that replaces those pieces. So we're gonna take it apart, re-drill out the clips, and it comes with new rivets. Rivet it in and hopefully it'll look good. First things first, I'm gonna pop out this rear window. Let me just hold this a second. Shut that off a minute. First thing I did is just pop that out, and this side's broken, so I can just pull it out. Tabs basically slide into that, and then you got to just push it out. Piece, I didn't do a video on it. Basically what I did is I took the old one, traced around it on some plexiglass, and cut it out with a bandsaw, or jigsaw actually. You can see this one is all cracked and crazed. It was a pain in the neck to see out of it. And you can see these ends are a little broken, probably from going in and out, but just made that piece. Like I said, I didn't make a video on it, but this piece, rubber just basically pulls out and it fits on those tabs right here. So you can see there's a little section there where that plastic goes in. I put the top piece on it because I thought it looked a little better. That's just door edge molding. Okay, so this piece here is held in with like a little pop panel. It looks like it has like teeth on it, kind of like how the center console was, or even the shifter linkage. Like it's a piece that has like little fingers in it, almost like it would hold a Christmas tree, but these aren't Christmas trees. So I think you can go up underneath it and kind of pull it back. We go. Those are rubber pieces that are in there. They'll just push back in. And here's our tab, and just put it in. I don't know if this was a factory one or not, because it's only got one hole there. This is the new piece. Basically, we're going to drill that out and put that in here. Hopefully it'll match all up. This is a factory piece, so I'm thinking it should. Okay, so this definitely did not have one from the factory because there's not two holes. That's on. Now I want to get that other side in if I can. Okay, so I drilled the second hole because the factory one should have two. I got it in there, so it's in there tight, and it's in there the way it's supposed to be. I don't think I'm going to change that other side because it's not broken, and I have the piece in case it breaks in the future. It isn't overly hard to take that off, but it definitely looks better without the tape on it. And you can see where it was. They had just put tape over there because it wasn't holding in. So I'm not really sure why they did that, if it was broken or what the deal was. So that's what it is. There's a wind deflector mounting part replacement on a 97 Boxster. I got that from Pelican Parts out of California, and the price for it was $30.75. Came with all 3 mounts, this one, that one, and the bottom one, and the rivets. I only changed the one that was broken. I'll save the rest. If I have to ever change it, I'll have it. But no reason to change parts that don't need to be changed. So like always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, hit that bell so you get notification of all our upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.